Sparkling Clean Window Company has been cleaning windows in Austin and Central Texas since 1981. We are happy to share with you a few tricks that you can use to clean your own windows at your home. You will need just a few tools that you can get at the grocery store and your local Home Depot or Lowe's. You need a bucket and water, a brass or stainless steel squeegee, a T-shaped window cleaning mop, dish soap, we use Dawn or Joy, a sponge and one with a scrubber on one side is helpful, but be careful that the scrubber is made not to scratch glass, a paintbrush and toothbrush to clean out your tracks, and last but not least, a rag to wipe the edges. Check out our video, How to Clean a Window, to learn how to use these tools. If you decide cleaning your windows is not for you, give us a call at 512-926-7000 or check us out on the web at www.sparklingclean.co.